All right, I feel like I get asked at least once a day on my Buick Envista review for an update. So here is an update, real quick, intro. So yes, long story short, the wife and I were driving it back in January, and we were rear-ended at the hatch, most likely. All the panel, I guess the whole entire thing's bent, and panel gaps are all messed up. So we're looking at a brand new hatch, rear fascia, and maybe these sides, they don't line up. TBD on that. Sensors, most likely. The young woman that hit us was simply texting and driving, and she admitted it right away. She wasn't paying attention. So yeah, so what's going on with the timeline? So this happened January 25th, I believe, back already by early April. We got an update from the body shop, 25s now. They're finally now getting a surplus of body panels and parts to fix these when they do break. They let us know they will have most of the parts to fix it early July. However, the lift gates, they cannot source yet. Maybe August, maybe September, who knows? So it could be a 9-month ordeal just getting the rear bumper, lower fascia underneath the bumper, a couple little sensors, trim pieces inside the liftgate and the liftgate itself. So the total cost was like $3,200. It's not a crazy amount of money. The car isn't terribly expensive, but it's just the wait for parts. Now, when we had the car, we had it good to go. Our family hauler. I was only able to do one oil change on it. I was getting ready to do its second one. But yeah, for the 5 months we drove it, it was flawless. We took it everywhere. Tennessee, DC quite a few times, North Carolina quite a few times. Everywhere we went, we took the vehicle for rental. It's a small SUV / crossover. It's fine. I definitely recommend the Buick over a Jeep Compass. It doesn't ride that well. It gets terrible gas mileage for what it is. It's not as roomy as the Envista, even though it looks bigger, which is weird. One of my daughter's friends had a birthday party. Anyways, we were driving home, and I was just telling the wife, like, yeah, we had the car almost 5 months. This car has been amazing. It's been really cool. No issue. I miss it. I still do thoroughly enjoy it. We keep forgetting we own one because it's been gone for so long in the shop. But yeah, there's a quick 7-month updates, if you will. So if you take anything away from this, if you have a Buick Envista, get an accident right now, even a fender bender, you're going to be in a wait. Maybe not long as us because their inventory is now getting stocked, but with any new platform, it just is what it is. And it's unfortunate. It's a brand new car. Body shops haven't even worked on them yet. So, and of course, when we get the car back, I will do a full comprehensive look at the damage and how it looks now and show you how they did. And we'll do a proper review and show you how it does. I was trying to reach 20,000 miles in 1 year. I don't think it's going to happen. But yeah, we were on track for the highest mileage Buick Envista. But it is what it is. 250,000 views. It's crazy. So you guys will find it on there. I have a couple of other videos on it too. Oil change, climbing mountains. Oh, MPGs. I think the gas mileage is insane, that thing. If you feather the throttle, you can easily get over 40 all day long on a trip. Awesome gas mileage. And it uses regular fuel, which is outstanding. We had no issues with the size of the motor hinge, with the spring and the roller bearing has finally failed, so we'll be replacing that. And then finally the struts for the rear trunk. Cool. All right, see you guys then. Take care. Mark out.